All right, we got a bullish breakout follow through in natural gas. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXNest, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. So if you follow me daily, you see I've recharacterized this decline here as a bull wedge, at least on the second portion after this first drop pullback, and then we have this bull wedge because of the reaction here. So this bull wedge broke out yesterday and triggered a breakout above the 50 moving average, and then we see the follow through today. And so it looks to be heading up to this 412 potential resistance zone, a test of resistance at the purple 20 moving average. But then we have the 38.2% retracement at 418, followed by this prior interim swing low, which is part of this downtrend structure, this small ABCD pattern at 4.26. So a breakout and daily close above the 20 will show additional strength. The same with the 38%, and then the same with this swing low right here. And then this swing low, if natural gas is able to get above it, will trigger a reversal of this decline. Now, but it's heading up into a bunch of potential resistance up here, right? So how far might it go? Well, we'll have to wait and see, but we have to be and also anticipate the potential for it rising, hitting resistance, and then turning back down. You see that we broke this trend line right here, and once we do that, there's a potential to reach the next lower trend line, which shows the next lower angle of ascent for the larger trend, and that represents a potential support line. So I don't think it's coming down there anywhere anytime soon, but it could get over here in time and come back down, test this line, and still be above this swing low right here. So that means that at least in the short-term weakness is worth watching, or is going to be watched by investors and traders for potential bullish setups to take advantage of the continuation up to at least the target. The initial target on this bull wedge is up here at this swing high at 4.26. So we'll have to see what happens. And also we see this RSI bearish divergence here. This trend line gets broken and it stays broken. That would also give further credence to a continuation higher, but not necessarily to new highs. There's a lot more that has to happen before we can make that assessment in the short term anyway. Okay, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend.